Hi there. So today, we will introduce a professional text editor that will help you to create articles without any junk data, and this is a clean text editor. Here, you can use the Copy HTML button to copy the HTML code of your article and paste it directly into your Blogger post dashboard. Here, you can see the Blogger's post dashboard where we write the articles. And this is the external Google document editor, whether you prefer to use Microsoft Excel or any other editor. So now I'm copying the article from Google Docs and pasting it directly to the Blogger post dashboard. As you can see, the article has been pasted. Now let me show you the junk data. And this is junk data which has been copied from a Google document article. And as you know, Blogger has a 1 megabyte size limit. That will cause many problems. There is one solution to remove this junk data by doing text formatting at the top left corner. But the problem is, it will also remove your changes, like bold text or headings. Now again, I'm using a clean text editor tool to remove this junk data. You can see, I have copied the article and made some adjustments directly in the clean text editor tool. And here I have copied the HTML and pasted it into Blogger HTML mode. And that's simple and easy to get a clean article without junk data. Now let's use the second option, Copy Rich Text. Tap on the Copy Rich Text button and paste it directly into the Blogger post dashboard. And here you can see, there is no junk data, and your changes will remain as you have done. Enjoy this tool and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates.